his popcorn. He can't get enough. It's his favorite thing. I used to pull the kernels off. Now he just eats it all. I'm videoing Bruce. I had a half a bag left from last night. He's about to finish it off after eating cereal. Say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Aunt Sai. Give me a smile. Achoo! I love popcorn.